If you want to know how to set up your Chime account with no fee, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is download the Chime app. So simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and click on Get once you search for the Chime mobile banking application. Then you want to simply go ahead and proceed by creating your account, enter your email and then your password. Then your first name, your last name, and click on continue right over here. Once you go ahead and do so, you can choose your account type. So you can either have a Chime Spending Account or Chime Credit Builder, whatever you want. And then you can simply go ahead and add money to your account. Confirm that no monthly fees are going to be there right over here. And you can simply go ahead and enable all the key features for absolute free, like debit card, spending insights, roundups, SpotMe, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.